happen anytime. So it is imperative for all of us to be prepared, to have a very good plan, in order for us to have a very good response also, as well as a plan for recovery. That order number 22 says 2024 enumerated the things that will be done in times of disaster. As we all know, that God is always saying there should be continuity of teaching and learning. Even if there are possible disruptions, like disaster, learning should and must continue. And that is why, in that level order, it is highlighted the preparations and actions that will be